Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to fix the Frigidaire oven F10 overheating in 2026. Now as soon as you see the F10 error code, you just have to simply turn off the oven and disconnect power at the breaker. This is going to help stop further overheating, and it will also protect the internal components from adding the additional stress. After doing so, you just have to leave the oven powered off for about 5 minutes. Then you just have to restore the electricity. The temporary control glitches can occasionally trigger the false overheating errors, and a reset is going to clear the code if no actual component failure exists. Now, sometimes a faulty oven temperature sensor is one of the most common causes of the F10 error code. So if the sensor sends inaccurate readings, the oven may continue heating beyond safe levels. So in this case, you just have to simply inspect the sensor for visible damages or loose wiring connections. Now, if the sensor is functioning properly, the electronic oven control board may be incorrectly sending continuous powers to the heating elements. So this can create runaway temperatures even when settings appear normal. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly. Again, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.